Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Chevrolet pickup truck with a four-wheel drive and an LS motor in it. This baby's got air conditioning, a lift kit, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, look at that LS power. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevrolet pickup truck investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So take a look at this Chevrolet pickup truck, four-wheel drive, LS power under the hood. You're gonna love it when we park this stream in your drive. We got great looking chrome here on the front bumper, the grille's in good shape, and this paint is popping. That orange paint is just, I mean, it looks electric. It is popping in here. And then the white paint too, man, it is gorgeous. It's got a little bit of a lift on it. Got some tall BFGs on it. I tell you what, I've worn out more than one pair of them BFGs, my favorite tire. It looks like the handles are new, all the trim looks new. Look at the interior here, Houndstooth interior. The gauge cluster there, all the chrome looks new. The faces of the gauges look good. It's got aftermarket AC on it. We've got those controls over there in the dash. The dash pad's in good shape. The paint work there on the roof is looking good. She is gorgeous, guys. Now look down the bedside. It is amazing. Look how nice and straight it is. She is gorgeous. Now look inside the bed. We got some good looking oak flooring in the bed there. Those rungs are all painted black. Tailgate looks like it's brand spanking new. We got a Reese hitch on it. Got duals coming out the back. Tailgate, look at that. Beautiful. Inside of the bed, everything looks brand spanking new. The surrounds around the tail lights look brand new. You look down this side, beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this truck. Right now we've got a little over 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. Now we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new cars and trucks every month. So you've got to keep a close eye on us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website. Now I get to pick out every one of the cars that we buy here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my help picking out your dream car. All right, here we go for a ride in our Chevrolet four-wheel drive with the LS power. Look at the shine on that hood, man. I tell you what, it is beautiful. She's driving awesome. That LS power sounds great going through the exhaust, man. It is a tough truck. Brings me back to my childhood. I had an old Jeep that was this color. Just had a blast driving it. That short wheelbase gives you the same feel on them tall tires. She's driving awesome, and we can deliver this truck anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Give him a call. Now, if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got 3 bankers we work with on the financing. It only takes about 15-20 minutes on the phone, and we'll hook you up with financing and we'll get this dream parked in your drive. Call Tom anytime, 7 days a week. He will return your call if you don't get a hold of him at first. Matter of fact, even if you don't leave him a message, he will return your call. Now you can see down here on the dash that the tack is working, the speedo's working. We got aftermarket radio, aftermarket air conditioning. I mean, this four-wheel drive is ready to go, guys. Let's go out and get in some mud. I'd hate to mud this thing up, but man, wouldn't it be a lot of fun? I used to get my Jeep hung up all the time. I had a couple come-alongs and about 14 chains in the back of it. I can't tell you how many times I had to come along that Jeep out of a hole somewhere. But boy, I had fun doing it, and I got a lot of memories doing it too. Now, we're right outside the Motor City. We're real close to the airport, so if you'd like to fly in and check out our inventory, we'd love to have you. We're bringing in between 45 and 50 new cars every month. So we've always got new stuff coming in. So please come on by, check us out. About 95% of our customers buy sight unseen. So we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, but boy, do we like to meet our customers. So come on in, send an inspector in if you'd like. We'll treat the inspector just like we'd treat you. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Got our cool covered trailer sitting right here. And look in there, that's my car. That's a Cyclone, guys. All right, we're underneath this Chevrolet pickup truck now, and man, it's nice under here too. You can see brand new exhaust. We got right around the 373 gear in here. It is a 12 bolt and it is an open rear end. The guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got, looks like brand new Bilstein shocks. We got MagnaFlow mufflers. Those look like they're stainless. New process transfer case here. Cab corners look nice. Backside of the rockers are nice and solid. Floorboards look good. Bottom side of this LS motor's nice and clean. That's a 4-speed automatic trans in there. We got brand new Bilstein shocks up front here too. Disc brakes in the front. Everything about it's nice and clean. Looks like the front bumper here is brand new also. Front sides of the front fenders here, solid as a rock. That's one thing you gotta look at on all these trucks. Now let's look at those beautiful tires. All right, up front here, my favorite tire, 33 10.5 15s. BFGs, they look like they're brand spanking new. Let's check the rear. Out back here, let's see, same size back here, 33 10.5 15s, and I see brand new part number stickers on that inner wheelhouse there. So yeah, I know that's brand new. And those oak boards are also brand new. Now let's get under the hood and take a look at that 5.3. All right, under the hood here, we've got a LS Power. We got aluminum heads on this 5.3. They did a beautiful job sticking it in here. It looks like Mr. Chevrolet put it in here himself. It does have a brand new AC setup on it. So brand new AC pump, brand new everything inside. It's got a big old Griffin radiator in it, keeping it cool. It looks like a brand new Delco battery. Everything's nice and clean under the hood. I tell you, beautiful, beautiful truck, guys. She's a 4-wheel drive. She's a Chevrolet. It's got LS power and it's got air conditioning. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.